What's up, knife enthusiasts? Today we're going to review a zero tolerance knife. This is the ZT-0450 carbon fiber version. Great little EDC knife. Here's a comparison, size comparison, with a $5 bill. Here we also have a ZT-0393. We'll put up there for comparison. And a Kershaw Link, also made by KAI. Little size comparison. The ZT-0450 overall length is 7.375 inches. The blade length is 3.25 inches. The handle length itself is about 4.125 inches. Handle is made from titanium on the lock side, frame lock, carbon fiber on the show side. Blade steel on this one is S35VN, Sinkovich design. This one's been sharpened, it's been used. Lockup on this one isn't particularly great, but they are great knives. It's about 60%, 65% probably. Excellent budget folders. It's got it's a drop point blade, and it runs on KVT bearings. It's pretty smooth. This one, the pivot has been tightened a little bit. Just how I wanted it. Blade centering is pretty well, pretty spot on. But yeah, overall impressions on this one, it's a great folder. It's super lightweight. You could carry it, casual, even dress carry, really. Excellent choice for any kind of EDC task. Very slender, fits the hand pretty well. It's got some jimping on the back there of the blade. I have some pretty big paws, but so it looks tiny in my hands, which it is on the smaller side in my opinion. I like huge folders, but it's a great folder. So if you're looking for something that won't break the bank, made of some fine materials, the ZT-0450 may be your choice. They do also make this in a solid titanium construction, which is another excellent knife, and then you can customize it, anodize it however you want. So thanks again, guys, for tuning in. Appreciate it. Hope you have a good day.